Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about Nollywood actress MOBIMPE, who is presently facing a serious problem. Before we give you the full details about the news, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Popular Nollywood actress MOBIMPE is reportedly facing harsh criticism and bullying from fans on social media over her marriage to fellow actor Lateef Adedimeji. The couple, who tied the knot in December 2021, have been under the public eye with many fans questioning their personal lives. According to sources, MOBIMPE has been open about her struggles with conception, which has unfortunately led to negative comments and pressure from some fans both online and offline. Critics have taken to social media platforms to express their disappointment, adding to the stress the actress is already experiencing. According to recent claims by MOBIMPE, she has been struggling with fertility issues since their marriage, leading to intense pressure and bullying from fans both online and offline. The actress has reportedly opened up about feeling overwhelmed by the scrutiny, as many have criticized her for not yet bearing a child. Despite the backlash, MOBIMPE remains resilient, choosing to focus on her career and personal life. Many of her supporters have rallied around her, urging the public to be more understanding and respectful of her privacy during this challenging time. As the situation continues to unfold, fans are reminded of the importance of empathy and respect for the personal lives of public figures. As the public waits for more information, viewers are encouraged to stay tuned for further updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when new details emerge.